silence paints the walls the same shade of gold. But the silence in the kitchen is biting and cold. Your coffee cup still sits where you left it last, a fragile ghost of a future that went too fast. I trace the dust on the photograph frames, whispering your forgotten beautiful names. Oh, phantom echoes ringing in my head, every memory a word that you never said. I'm a shipwreck sailing on a sea of regret, chasing the feeling I just can't forget. Phantom echoes, a melody of pain. Will I ever feel the sun again, or just the rain? The city outside is a blur of noise and light, but everything in here is stuck in the twilight. I sold the piano, the one we used to share. The broken key just amplified the empty air. Tried to burn the letters, but the ink wouldn't fade, just like the promises we so carelessly made. Driving down the highways where we used to run free, searching for a sign that you might be looking for me. The rearview mirror shows a fool who can't let go, lost in the rhythm of this slow fading glow. Phantom echoes ringing in my head, every memory a word that you never said. I'm a shipwreck sailing on a sea of regret, chasing the feeling I just can't forget. Phantom echoes, a melody of pain. Will I ever feel the sun again, or just the rain? I see a car on every street, a cruel mirage. My mind plays tricks, stuck behind a mental barrage. I swore I smelled your perfume in the grocery line, a phantom echo of what was once truly mine. Guess some scars don't heal, they just turn into art, a masterpiece of sorrow etched upon the heart. Static silence is the loudest sound I know. The final curtain call for a love that would